Assalamu alaikum guys, I hope you're doing well. So in this video I want to share with you if you have ever encountered this problem in your laptop or system where your mouse is automatically scrolling up and down without you touching the mouse or touchpad. So if you're facing this issue, then I was facing the same issue and I resolved it through this method. So all I did was I just went to the device manager here, and then under the mice and other pointing devices here, I went to selected the Dell touchpad and then right click on it, and then I basically uninstall this device. So I've already done that, so I don't want to do it again. So I just uninstalled the device and then I restarted it, and my issue was resolved. So you can also try this method. So go to your device manager. So you can always search device manager from your search bar, and you can come to this page here, and then you can go to mice and other pointing devices and try removing this dull touchpad and then restart your system. Hopefully this issue could be resolved through this method. Just to keep in mind, there could be other issues as well. If you have any Bluetooth um, jack USB plugged in to your laptop or system, so if you're not using it, then just remove it, unplug it, and if you're using touchpad, then make sure you follow this process which I told you, and hopefully this should fix the issue. If you're using through mouse, then try to make sure that you have a new battery. Try to use a new battery and then unplug the USB jack and try plugging in another port, USB port, and see if that issue is resolved. So those are the two I would suggest, and hopefully you should be able to resolve this. So this could happen due to the recent updates, and hopefully this issue would be resolved through this method. So thank you for watching, and now I'll see you guys in another video. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum.